This video demonstrates how to finish your session and log out of iLab after using UIC instruments. The first step in ending your session is to save your work and close the microscope software. Always remember to save your files to removable storage or server. Do not leave your files on the microscope computer. After saving your data and closing the microscope software, you will need to go back to the Firefox browser to finish your iLab session. If you have minimized Firefox, click the icon in the taskbar to bring up the window. In the iLab session details, click Finish. After clicking Finish, it is important to wait a moment for the confirmation pop-up. When the confirmation pop-up appears, click Finish Session. This will finish your session and return you to the iLab kiosk homepage. Back at the iLab kiosk homepage, click your name in the upper right corner to expand the drop-down menu. Click Sign Out. Close the small window that appears after signing out by clicking the red X. You have now correctly finished your session and signed out of iLab. As always, if you have any questions about this video, iLab, or UIC instruments and services, please send us a message. Thanks for watching.